Hey guys, this is me making a video about how I went from 0 to 500 subscribers in hopes that you guys can get there faster than me. Enjoy. The first realization is that actually not many people care about your name. Her name in your, how to win friends and influence people is the most pleasing sounding thing in the world. So therefore we have a bias for our name. My name is Juntae Kim, but no one actually knows Juntae Kim. If I call my YouTube channel Juntae Kim, and I did in the past, no one watches it. There is one benefit of using your name though, which is you need to put your name, you need to put something, right? So your name is a good place to start, just so you can start uploading. Some people are afraid of pressing upload, but for everyone else, if you can think of a topic that you want to do, if you don't know what topic you're gonna make, just put 10 videos and see what they roughly are about, yeah? And then in my case, I use the word pragmatic automator because I like to be pragmatic and I like to find automated solutions that anyone can do. So it's solutions that people can do and relatively cheap money in time, money, and energy. And I like automation as well, yeah, because I'm a software engineer. If I be honest, this name could be changed to Easy AI, maybe that will resonate with more people. I don't know. That's a rebranding, rethink. But the biggest thing that I like to just mention is that no one, unfortunately, cares about your name. I do. I want to hear from you, but the YouTube community cares about brands. And I think the simple ways to think about it is that if I put Juntae Kim, people go, "What the F is Juntae Kim?" And they go to my channel and learn about me and go, "Oh, it's just his name, whatever. Who's this guy? He's not famous or anything." But if they use the word pragmatic and automation, they're like, "Oh, I resonate with these two English words that I know." And that's why sometimes even the words that are easier, maybe easy code, easy AI, might be a better name than my pragmatic automation. The second tip is we first need to make the title so that YouTube likes it. So ignore users at the moment because your audience and everything matters. But right now we need to help YouTube figure out that your video is worth like a topic to think about. And the first way that YouTube does that in the algorithm is actually it uses your title. So in my case, I typed something like, I don't know, I want to learn about apples. Sure, let's just type that. And in my case here, let me just make my face smaller and everything. 1 second. There we go. I got a vidiq score. And this is an extension called, if you just put vidiq extension on Chrome or whatever, or I'm using Edge, whatever, you can download it. And this gives me a score of, there's a medium number of volume, but high competition. This is essentially a supply and demand curve. And it's very interesting because actually what we want is actually have high volume, high demand, but low supply. So not many people are filling that request. So clearly lots of people talk about apples and this is a bad video. So I shouldn't make videos about apples, really, yeah? However, you go to my channel and realize which videos are trending, which is from popular, is actually my IW3M on Windows videos. And that's because without vidiq, I've been for 5 years looking for the solution. Like I've been typing this on Google for ages and nothing would come out. Like this video doesn't explain it, this video doesn't explain it, this video doesn't explain it, this video doesn't explain it. I want it on Windows, not a window manager, yeah? So I just used these words without the vidiq score and knew that this would do well if I titled it like this and put I3WM thumbnail and thing. This now logically goes to thumbnail. But a very easy way to do title optimization is using vidiq so that you hit the gap. The gap meaning that you've got, there's a keyword that YouTube thinks that there's lots of people searching for it and there's not many people making the videos. So that means that those keywords will help the YouTube realize that you're filling a gap, therefore someone's going to find this interesting since there's a high supply and not enough demand, right? So now that we've optimized our YouTube so that when people search, in my case, automate your exams and the letter A, they find this video. Clearly this one's not doing very well and so on and so forth, but basically what I'm trying to say, you're trying to fill a gap. Now in this case, if I show you this one, how to disable YouTube Shorts permanently, if I put how to disable YouTube Shorts permanently, I manufactured this so that I get a good vidiq score. This is because if I now type disable YouTube Shorts, I'm the 4th video. I'm pretty sure this is the case for incognito as well, so let me just double check on incognito as well. This helps because more people get to find your videos because there's low demand of those long words. However, then YouTube is smart and they figure out I'm the 5th video, not quite the optimization I'm hoping for, but that also shows you why this video is very popular. And I think I haven't seen these videos, but when I went searching for how to disable YouTube Shorts, that was also a problem. So again, I'm feeling a need that I'm saying that people have the same pain point as me. In this case, it's getting to 0 to 500. You're trying to solve a pain point or problem. I didn't understand what that meant. Like, what the hell is a problem? For me, there's a supply. There's a supply of people that want certain things, yeah? And if that's a high enough volume and there's low competition, that is a gap in the market. And that gap is what you should make a videos about. I don't know, I haven't done any prior research on 0 to 500 subscribers here. So maybe this is a very bad video and it might turn out to be a very bad video. But the reason I'm making this video is because this was a problem that I wanted to understand to get to 500 subscribers. I was very struggling to get 500 subscribers, and these are the things that I've learned to figure it out. And hopefully you guys will find it useful too. The next thing is realizing that actually, yes, YouTube might make you appear in your Google searches now, your YouTube search and all that kind of amazing search things. However, people still click on your videos, not machines, yeah? So you need to make a thumbnail, like a poster, to sell eye-catchingness. And if I be honest, the more truthful you can, the better it is. The tool that I use is something called Canva. And in here, you'll see all my embarrassing attempts on making thumbnails, which is, this is the tool that I just, because it's easier, it's just literally drag and drop, right? And the only thing I like to just say with these thumbnails, I'm not very good with them, I'm learning, I'm experimenting. And, I'm sure there is a whole thing about how, what makes a good thumbnail. But the thing that I try to optimize for right now is that I can't control what medium that you're gonna watch this video in. I ideally want you to do on my speakers and my video, but what I've learned from my audio testing and the reason I got a mic and stuff is because people listen to me in different devices and how to put my volume up. So that's something that I didn't know because I didn't test it on my mobile phone. So what I do is I essentially just download it. Let's just say I download this one. So let me just download it now. Page 10, whatever, download. And then this thumbnail that I generated with drag and dropness comes there. And then I go to the thumbsup.tv, which is another YouTube thing that I found, as in like this link. And I drag and drop here, and it tells me what my thumbnail will look on different devices. So I have no idea. I'm sure YouTube will tell me one day if I'm popular enough and get enough views with their analytics, but I don't know where you see me. And so this now shows me that, oh, my thumbnail will look like this in this device and this and so on and so forth. And on very small devices, on TV, on mobile, whatever, This is very useful because you need to see what people can see. Ideally from one computer. I can't buy all these devices, so this is a very useful tool for me to understand that at least it looks pleasing. At least it looks pleasing on these resolutions. So for now, I would say this is a good filter if you're sort of like a logical mind like myself in this case, where you don't know what I don't know anything about colors or what fonts are nice and whatever. I'm sure there's a whole science to this as well and a whole art form. But for me right now, just pleasing it to the most devices possible gets the biggest net essentially. All this to say, like, you can use all these tools and everything, but at the end of the day, making a fun, engaging video is still difficult, and I'm still learning as I go along. One thing that I'm quite curious about is actually, let me just make myself a little bit smaller, is actually, like, I just told you how to do the search thing with vidiq, right? And you get the score of whatever the score thing here is. And I don't think there should be an over-reliance on that score thing. It's just a guide to help you to see if it's, if there's a topic that you want to talk about, maybe you can use this to help you. But just remember that your thing that you're searching, the things that you're Googling and the thing that you're YouTube, and if you can't find the answer, maybe that's a month, a year or 2 years, that's probably a good topic to talk about because lots of other people are probably searching for that. And this shows you the volume code, which is probably what you're missing, yeah? And in my tech case, in my tech background, lots of people are doing very niche things, which is too little volume, because therefore you've got to still be able to catch some audience, right? What's interesting is, I might do as an experiment with you guys today, is my fiance and me recently bought some dumbbells, and the dumbbells that we bought were these, right? and let's have a look. It was these ones because she liked the way it looked aesthetically speaking, right? It looks pretty. It's you know, she wants to use it. We didn't get an adjustable one because it seems a bit finicky, and she wants to constantly change weights depending on the workout that she's doing, right? So we bought these, but it would have been really nice to see a YouTube video about it, just because it helps with this. It helps to understand, you know, sort of how big everything is. So I think the next video that I'm going to do, just as an experiment, is I'm going to search it here because I'm pretty sure, yeah, there's a decent amount of volume because this is a brand. This is clearly someone else, because someone else put these dumbbells and found these dumbbells, but there's no video about it except for the people that's the company, NetWorlds. And so this could be a very good video in the sense that you could, oops, sorry, that's my Pomodoro, that's a future video time. This could be a potentially good video for people that are looking for this dumbbell, and now I've figured out a gap. I will make a video of this next to see if this is worth it. I think the thumbnail can be actually quite simple, where the thumbnail could just be this, because people are looking for this, and that's what they type these keywords. There's no videos on it, but also notice that the average views is pretty low. There's not many channels, not many people are looking for these dumbbells exactly. So you might not be getting a view, and also mine's a tech channel, and talking about dumbbells is quite odd. Yeah. So I'm sure I can then figure out how to talk about dumbbells and automation and how I've automated my exercise. But you know, it's just an experiment, guys. Have fun with it, live life, and just have fun as you do it. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to mention that all of this information, insights, and hacks are written up in January 2024 newsletter, where every month I try to talk about what I learned and what I found interesting, and this tips and advice is actually under the section YouTube, where I talk about all of these topics. However, some people prefer video format, and I enjoy making it as well, so enjoy either way.